Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of WorldCat.org, which is a great site to use to find the libraries in your area that have the books that you want to borrow. Now, this is a great resource to use if someone's recommended a book to you, and before you buy it on Amazon, you want to see if you can borrow a copy of it locally. So let's do a search here, and a book that was recently recommended to me that I'm reading is called Harry Truman's Excellent Adventure. I'll do my search. That'll bring up the book. And then down below here, I have a field to enter my zip code. And based on my zip code, it will tell me which libraries near me have a copy of the book. In my case, the closest copy is 41 miles away. I'll hit the Map It button. That'll bring up Google Maps, and I can then go and get directions to get to that library. Now, you might want to contact that library, so you might want to get the library info and contact that library before you make the 41-mile drive to try to get a copy of it. Now, that was an easy search. Let's say I want to search for a different book like Invent to Learn by Gary Steger and Sylvia Martinez. And we'll see here that the first couple of books aren't by Steger and Martinez. They're by a couple of other authors who also have Invent to Learn in the title. So in that case, I'll need to scroll down and make sure I'm looking for the one where I know the author. Now, on this left-hand side, we have some other options we can use for refining our search. If you know when the book was published, you can go in and choose that year, and that will refine your search. You also have this author field, and you can go and look through the author field and see if the author's name pops up here. And in this case, we'll be scrolling for a while. Or I could add in to the end of my search the name of the author. So I'll add in Steger. And now that's refined my search to Invent to Learn Steger, and now I have that book available. And let's see if there's a copy available near me. And we'll see in my case, the nearest copy available in the library is 37 miles away. So that's a short overview of WorldCat.org and how you can use it to find libraries that have the books you want to borrow in your area. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.